everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, I just finished doing a calculations video. I will link it for you so you can check it out. It's how to calculate your floor finishes for a given space. Tiles, that is, when you don't have them in boxes. The same way we calculate for the floor here, that's the same way you would calculate for a backsplash or for a shower. You calculate the square area of the space you want to cover, calculate your tiles, and then get the number of tiles that you will need to cover that given space. The one thing I need to reiterate is always make sure you add your overage. Your overage is usually 10% of what you need. And it is very important because just like fabrics, for example, come with your die lot number. I did a video on that. I'll link it for you so you can check it out. But just like they come with die lot numbers, the hardwood flooring or the laminate or the tiles, they do come with lot numbers also. Some of them are dyed like ceramic tiles and such. And if they are in different die lots, they have different die lot numbers, there can be variation in the look of that specific tile. So if you're tiling your space, you want to make sure you get all the tiles you need in one buy. Because if you don't do that, then you might end up with a problem down the road. It's always better to get more than what you need, and you can return what you don't use, right? As long as they're not damaged. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thanks for your support on the channel. Please like, share, leave your comments below, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.